Okay, how do we find the total surface area? Well, this is a pyramid, and the lateral area for a pyramid is the lateral area, which means all of these sides up here, 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 all the way around, but not including this blue base, right, which we'll figure that out separately. The total lateral area has a formula of 1/2 the total perimeter times the slant height. And luckily they give us the slant height. That's nice and convenient. Okay. The total perimeter we'll figure out in a second. The slant height is 17. Now the total perimeter. Look at what we've got here. They say that this is a side length of 8 and it's a hexagon. So it's regular. That means if this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. 6 sides, each equaling 8. What is 6 times 8? That is 48. So to find that lateral area, we would say 1/2 of 48, which is 24, times 17, and we get 408 meters squared. You can see that they give that as a choice, but that's not the correct choice because we have not yet taken into account the area of the base, and that base is this hexagon down on the bottom. Okay, so we've got as a partial answer, we've got 408 meters squared for the lateral area. Okay, and then the base we'll put there, and we'll calculate that in a second. In fact, let's put that in green because I'll leave that colored in green to show what we're calculating. And let's find this. Now, what I want to do actually is I want to re-sketch this octagon over here. Let me see if I can use a tool to do this. Let's say we've got this, that, 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 that. Okay. And I'll bring them all together a little bit, see if I can make it neater. Yeah. And this particular figure, this hexagon, has certain features. We've been given the apothem. I'm going to erase this green right here for a second. But we've been given this apothem of, and I'll mark it here in blue, from there to there is 4 square root of 3. Like that, okay? And let's write that in there, 4 square root of 3. Now, what else do we know? Well, we know this. If you wanted to find the area of some polygon, you can say that the area of the base, sorry, is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. That is a basic formula for a polygon, okay? So since they already give us the apothem, that makes it really nice and easy for us. We've got 1/2 the apothem length of 4 root 3 times the perimeter, which we already found out from the other calculation for the lateral area, is 48, right? 8 sides, 6 sides, each measuring 8 is 48, okay? So we then say, okay, then that is 96 root 3 exactly. Now, if we wanted to give this an approximate value, and because the lateral area was a whole number, we should round this off to a whole number too. There's not going to be some partial amount from the lateral area that will combine with a partial amount from this to give us some number that we need to round to. So let's do it. We say 96 times square root of 3, and we get 166, approximately equal to 166.27, which when rounded off to the nearest whole number is approximately 166 meters squared. So then we say 166 meters squared, and then so we have to sum up 408 meters squared plus 166 meters squared, and we get 574 meters squared when we add these two amounts together over here. Okay? They sum up to 574, and that's that answer right there. Okay? That's how you do it.